Hey guys, welcome back to Click. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add collection list page to main menu navigation menu in Shopify. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to add what we call the collection list into your navigation, so just to give you an idea, this is what it looks like right now in my Shopify page, and you want to add like a collection in here. Well, the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that your collection has been already created. So I'm assuming you already did that. So the next thing that you want to do is you want to go to content. Now from here, you want to look for the menus, and you want to go and choose main menu. Now, depending on where you want to add your main menu or your collection list, let's go and choose main menu. Now from here, just going to click on add menu item, and you can go and just basically name this whatever you want. So I'm going to say best collection. Now you could use whatever text you want to use in here, but what's important here is going to be the search or paste link. Now from here, what we need to do is you want to go and choose your collection. So let's go and choose products here. And let's go and look for our collection. So this is collection. You want to choose collection instead of products. Let's go and choose collections. And you want to go and choose the collection that we just created. So I have a test collection I already have right now. Let's go and choose that one. And you can go and just filter this if you want. So if it's for hats. So these are tags that is included in your, in this case, your products. So if you want to really filter that out, you can go and do that. But let's go and click on the check at the right side since we're good. Click on save. And once you go back into our shop here and reload, that should update according to what we just added. So you can go and just click on best collection here, and that should show the product for that specific collection. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if I found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.